హలో ట్రేడర్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు ఐక్యూ ఆప్షన్ తెలుగు. ఇంతవరకు నా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. అలాగే నా వీడియోస్ నచ్చితే లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ట్రేడింగ్. ద పేర్ ఈస్ యూరో యూఎస్డి. మేజర్ ట్రెండ్ is downtrend and minor trend is ranging market. Okay, the market is going to up to this level because of strong downtrend. It's strong into before two candles are very strong sellers. This is a small retracement. This is the round number right now. Okay, a little more down. Okay, this is the trend line. The market closing above my prediction, I hope. Right. One, two, three. Oh, okay. Little tension. Okay. The next level is wait for the candle confirmation and buyer's entry. The next level is here. Okay. Buyers are entering. Okay, from this level market will go up. From here, from this level. Okay. 4 3 2. Very strong buyer's entry. Momentum is very strong seller's entry, but this area is buyer's area, SNR level. Okay, I just miss. Okay, I placed my trade here, but because of fast momentum, the trade placed here, the market will go up to this level. Just missed my trade again. This is the SNR level, it's the level, and the next round number is here. Okay, respecting this level, market respecting this level. Okay, I take my trade call because of these two rejections from this SNR level. Very strong buyer's entry from this level. Okay, till now I took 5 trades. This is my first trade. The SNR level, the strong bearish momentum, that's why I take this put option. I won this trade, and my second trade is after a very strong candle at SNR level, I take a call. I won this option, this one also, and my third trade same, just like the bearish momentum at the SNR level. I saw the rejections, that's why I take a call. Again I won this trade. This is my third trade, and my fourth trade is put option at the SNR level. Very strong bearish candle. That's a continuation candle, and that's why I take a put. And my fifth trade is after two rejections at the SNR level, I take a call. That's why I won this trade at the buyer's area. Okay, this is my fifth trade, all fifth trade winning trades.